Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about the login loop issue that will often occur with our Linux environments. So recently we had faced this issue and thought of making a video would be helpful for you. So let me fire up my virtual machine here. So I'm trying to log in with my credentials and you can see once I do that login, a blank screen has been displayed and again I'm rerouted back to my login screen. No matter how many tries or restarts we do, this issue still keeps on coming. So it's like an infinite loop. So let's see how to fix this issue in this video. Well, before getting into the fix, let's see why this issue occurs. There are a number of scenarios and the rare one would be the problem with our display manager packages. Consider like we have did a kind of upgrade to the system and due to this, few of the packages related to display managers are not unpacked properly. So this can lead to this login loop issue and can be fixed by uninstalling and reinstalling the related packages. So in case of Ubuntu, this can be done with LightEM and in case of Kali Linux, it goes with the GDM3 packages. The other reason would be a storage space problem. So in case we are using Linux in a virtual machine, so we manually allocate the space and most often it gets filled. So in such cases, there are bright possibilities for this login loop issue to occur. Initially, I was not aware about this storage space impact and hence I did a temporary fix which is covered in this video. We have not covered the fix for issue 1 here. So if you guys want me to make a video on that, do let me know in the comment section. And now, getting back to the fix. So step 1 will be entering the terminal while we are in the login page. To do this, press Ctrl Alt F3. You will be taken to a terminal. From there, log in with your credentials. So once that is done, we are going to give a dpkg configure all command. So the dpkg is basically a package manager command in the Debian based systems. After this, it is enough to run a upgrade and update command. So this is just to make sure that whatever change that has happened is in sync. So let me run a upgrade command now. Well, it seems there is no enough storage in my virtual machine there, and we can see a directory which is a variable catchy. So let us check how much space that has been occupied by that. So this can be done with the du command, disk usage, and the additional parameters I have given with a total storage and a human readability. Okay, this is just in a kilobyte. Maybe you can clean that and we'll try again. Okay, so let's run the upgrade or update again. Probably we have cleared around some kind of kilobyte of memory from the cache, but I guess it will not work as it said like some megabytes were required in our local space.
A few moments later.
I think my network might be slow, but it's still running. So let's see. Yeah. So the storage space is not enough. Well, I'll try to clean up some of my storage via terminal itself and
A few moments later.
okay, the task of cleaning up my directories and making space for my virtual machine is not going well. So probably I'll try to do a reboot since the update and upgrade are just to make sure that whatever changes that has been done is in sync with the system. So let's hope and I've done a reboot. I hope this should work. And yeah, so I'll log in with my credentials here, and we shall see. Exactly, super. So yeah, this is working fine now. The dpkg configure all command has fixed any kind of dependencies that were existing in our virtual machine here. If you are facing this issue in your Linux environment, try running these three commands. So which are dpkg configure all, upgrade, and then update. So this is just a basic one and doesn't affect our existing system that much. If you face the login loop issue even after running these commands, then we can try to uninstall and reinstall the display manager related packages, which we have glanced in the starting of this video. And if these things doesn't fix your issue, still for your information, the next level would be editing the X authority files. So that is not covered in this video, and you can Google that one and know a lot about that. As said, this is a temporary fix that I have observed, and probably the permanent fix would be increasing your storage space for your virtual disk. To do this, navigate to a file and then a virtual media manager. So once you got into the, you can see we can dynamically allocate whatever space that we think is enough for our virtual disk. So make sure that you provide enough storage space. And once that's done, press apply, and that should reflect immediately. So this will prevent the login loop issue that happens mainly due to storage unavailability. And that's all for this video. Hope you find this useful. So see you guys with another interesting topic. So till then, bye.